Look up at the sky on a clear night and you will see thousands of stars. Among them are a few bright objects that move slowly across the sky from night to night. These are planets. For thousands of years, humans wondered why planets move the way they do. Today, science gives us a clear explanation. Planets revolve around the sun because of gravity and motion. Understanding this movement reveals how our entire solar system works. At the center of our solar system is the sun. The sun contains about 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system. Because it is so massive, it has a powerful gravitational pull. Gravity is the force that attracts objects with mass toward each other. The sun's gravity pulls everything around it, including planets, asteroids, comets, and dust. Planets do not fall straight into the sun because they are also moving sideways through space. This sideways motion is called velocity. When gravity pulls a moving object inward while it continues moving forward, the result is an orbit. An orbit is the curved path an object follows around another object. Imagine swinging a ball tied to a string around your hand. The string pulls the ball inward while the ball keeps moving forward. This creates a circular path. In space, gravity acts like the string, pulling planets toward the sun, while their motion keeps them moving forward. Our solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago from a giant cloud of gas and dust. Scientists call this a solar nebula. Over time, gravity caused the cloud to collapse. As it collapsed, it began to spin faster and flatten into a disk. The sun formed at the center of this spinning disk, while the remaining material gradually clumped together to form planets. Because everything formed from the same rotating disk, all the planets orbit the sun in roughly the same flat plane. This is called the ecliptic plane. It is why the planets appear to move along the same path across our sky. The planets in our solar system include Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each planet follows its own orbit around the sun. However, their distances from the sun are very different. Mercury is the closest planet, while Neptune is the farthest. Distance from the sun affects how long it takes a planet to complete one revolution. A revolution is one full orbit around the sun. Mercury completes an orbit in just 88 Earth days. Earth takes about 365 days, which is why we define 1 year as the time it takes Earth to go around the sun once. Neptune, the most distant planet, takes about 165 Earth years to complete a single orbit. The shape of planetary orbits is not perfectly circular. In the early 1600s, the astronomer Johannes Kepler discovered that planetary orbits are actually elliptical. An ellipse is a slightly stretched circle. This means that a planet's distance from the sun changes slightly as it moves along its orbit. Kepler also discovered 3 important laws that describe planetary motion. These are known as Kepler's laws of planetary motion. The first law states that planets move in elliptical orbits, with the sun located at one focus of the ellipse. This explains why planets sometimes move slightly closer to the sun and sometimes slightly farther away. The second law explains how planets move faster when they are closer to the sun and slower when they are farther away. This happens because the sun's gravitational pull is stronger when a planet is closer. The third law shows the relationship between a planet's distance from the sun and the time it takes to complete an orbit. The farther a planet is from the sun, the longer its orbital period. Later, the scientist Isaac Newton explained why Kepler's laws work. Newton discovered the law of universal gravitation. This law states that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force of gravity. The strength of this force depends on the masses of the objects and the distance between them. Newton showed that gravity is the force responsible for planetary motion. The sun's massive gravity pulls planets inward, while their forward motion keeps them from falling directly into the sun. The balance between gravity and motion keeps planets in stable orbits. Another important concept is inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to continue moving in the same direction unless acted upon by a force. Planets have inertia that keeps them moving forward through space. Gravity constantly pulls them toward the sun, bending their paths into curved orbits. Without gravity, planets would simply move in straight lines and drift away into space. Without forward motion, they would fall directly into the sun. The combination of these two forces creates the graceful orbital motion we observe. Each planet also rotates on its axis while it revolves around the sun. Rotation is the spinning motion of a planet. Earth completes one rotation every 24 hours, which creates day and night. Meanwhile, Earth's revolution around the sun creates the cycle of seasons and the passing of years. Planetary speed changes depending on distance from the sun. Mercury moves very quickly because it is close to the sun and experiences strong gravity. Neptune moves much more slowly because it is far away and the sun's gravitational pull is weaker at that distance. Gravity also keeps moons orbiting planets. For example, Earth's moon revolves around Earth because Earth's gravity pulls it inward while the moon continues moving forward. The same principle applies to the planets orbiting the Sun. Beyond the 8 major planets, many other objects orbit the Sun. These include dwarf planets such as Pluto, large numbers of asteroids in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and icy bodies in the distant Kuiper belt. Comets also revolve around the Sun, though their orbits are often very long and stretched out. Some comets take thousands of years to complete one orbit. The entire solar system itself is moving through the Milky Way galaxy. While planets revolve around the Sun and its planets orbit the center of our galaxy. One complete orbit around the Milky Way takes about 230 million years. Modern technology allows scientists to observe planetary motion with incredible precision. Space telescopes and spacecraft have confirmed the principles first described by Kepler and Newton centuries ago. Satellites launched from Earth also rely on orbital mechanics. Engineers calculate precise speeds and distances so satellites can orbit Earth without falling back or drifting away. The same physics that governs planets also governs spacecraft. Understanding planetary orbits has helped scientists discover thousands of planets outside our solar system. These are called exoplanets. By observing the motion of stars and the tiny dips in their brightness, astronomers can detect planets orbiting distant suns. Some of these exoplanets orbit very close to their stars, completing an orbit in just a few days. Others orbit extremely far away and may take hundreds of years to complete one revolution. The discovery of exoplanets has shown that planetary systems are common throughout the universe. While the details may differ, the fundamental physics of gravity and motion remain the same everywhere. Planetary orbits are also remarkably stable over long periods of time. The gravitational interactions between planets create a delicate balance that keeps the solar system organized. However, small changes can occur. Over millions of years, gravitational influences can slightly shift planetary orbits. Scientists study these effects to understand the long-term evolution of our solar system. The study of planetary motion remains one of the most important areas of astronomy. It helps us understand how solar systems form, how they evolve, and whether other worlds might support life. From the smallest asteroid to the largest planet, every object in our solar system follows the same basic rules of gravity and motion. These rules create the elegant dance of planets revolving around the Sun. When we watch the planets move across the night sky, we are witnessing the result of billions of years of cosmic motion. The Sun's gravity holds the solar system together, while the forward motion of planets keeps them traveling along their endless paths. The next time you look up at the sky and see a bright planet shining among the stars, remember that it is not just sitting there. It is moving through space at incredible speed, following a precise orbital path around the Sun. This constant motion is what shapes our solar system and defines the rhythm of time itself. Every day, every season, and every year is a direct result of Earth's journey around the Sun. The motion of planets around the Sun is one of the most beautiful examples of physics in action. It shows how simple natural laws can produce complex and fascinating patterns throughout the universe. Every planet in our solar system is constantly moving through space, guided by the balance between gravity and motion. From the blazing heat near Mercury to the icy darkness beyond Neptune, each planet follows a path shaped by the Sun's powerful gravitational pull. This continuous movement has been happening for billions of years, creating the stable solar system that allows life to exist on Earth. Our days, seasons, and years are all a direct result of our planet's orbit around the Sun. As scientists continue exploring space, they are discovering new planets around distant stars and learning more about how solar systems form and evolve. Yet the fundamental principles remain the same everywhere in the universe: gravity, motion, and the elegant dance of orbiting worlds. If you enjoyed learning about how planets revolve around the Sun and how our solar system works, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating videos about space, science, and the mysteries of the universe. Don't forget to like the video and share it with others who are curious about how the universe works. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.